Hello guys, in this video we will be looking at Codeforces problem 41A, which is translation. So this problem came into the Codeforces beta round 40 in Div 2. It is an 800 rated problem. So the problem states that translation from a language into another language is not easy. For both languages to be similar, language A word differs from language B with such that it is reversely executed. So, for example, a Berlandish word code corresponds to a Berlandish word edoc, which is the reverse of this one. So, it's easy to make a mistake during this translation, and we need to check if the given word is translated correctly. So, the input contains two words, which is S and word T. So, we need to do something here is we need to reverse this string and check if it matches with this string or not. If it does not match, then we will print the answer as no, otherwise we will print the answer as yes. So a simple way to solve this in C++ would be such that first we'll take in both the strings, then we will reverse the first string. We'll keep a flag boolean variable to keep track of whether we have lost the string checking or not. After that, we will iterate the string and check if it is not equal to the translated string. If the reverse string is not equal to translated string, then we will see out as no and change the value of flag and break from the loop. And after the loop is done, we will check if flag value was triggered or not. If it was not triggered, then we will print that the translated value is correct. So this will give us the correct answer for this question. I have already submitted it once. I will submit it once again. So while this is getting submitted, thank you for watching this video. If you have any other doubts or any other problems you would like me to explain, do mention in the comments down below. Do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel to receive upcoming notifications. Thank you for watching.